Smart TV is about watching shows, but there are also apps, internet browsing, and beyond. So LG came up with the LG Magic Remote, which is nothing short of a revolution in home entertainment control. The latest model Magic Remotes feel better in the hand than ever. They're easy to use in the dark, thanks to the raised markings that let you work it by feel. The first time you use it, you'll see this Magic Remote icon on the TV screen. Wait just a moment, and the TV and remote will pair automatically. If you ever need to reset it, press and hold the back and home button simultaneously for 5 seconds until you see the red power icon blink 3 times. Then just point the remote at the TV and click the scroll wheel to re-register. The Magic Remote offers 3 different control options: point, wheel, and voice. Point moves the cursor around the screen with a wave of your hand, a lot like a computer mouse. This is useful for just about everything, including games. The wheel control allows you to scroll through web pages. And voice control lets you talk to your LG Smart TV, speaking commands right into the Magic Remote. To learn more about this feature, watch our speech recognition video. The button-pushing crowd shouldn't feel left out, though. The home button takes you to the Smart TV launcher bar and all of its offerings. And on 3D model TVs, the 3D button takes you immediately into or out of 3D mode. Of course, there are channel, volume, and mute buttons too. It'll even control your cable or satellite set-top box, as well as compatible Blu-ray disc players, sound bars, and home theater systems, so you won't need to keep multiple remote controls on your coffee table. The versatile, stylish LG Magic Remote gives you a better way to control all of your home entertainment. Be sure to watch our Universal Control video to find out more about this great feature.